Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a update for Firefox. So we had, of course, the new Firefox version arrive last week, and well, there was a bug, and I actually had a few comments here on the channel of people saying they were having that problem. Well, Firefox 104.0.1, if you go to Menu, Help, and Firefox, about Firefox, you get this really minor update. 104.0.1 fixes one thing, and it's YouTube video freezes. So if you're one of those affected by YouTube video playback freeze, this is a fix for that. I had at least 3 or 4 comments over the last few days, well, since I posted the new version to 104, about people having problems with the YouTube playback. So, well, that is fixed. It happens, you know, new versions of browsers. It's like a new version of an operating system. Sometimes a little bug goes through without us really knowing or seeing it. So in this case, well, it seems that, you know, it's probably, maybe not everybody, maybe it's just certain people with certain type of hardware or hardware acceleration, but those that were affected, definitely something not really nice and not really cool. So if you went to another browser to view your YouTube videos because it was a big problem, that should be fixed now on Firefox 104. So once again, upper right corner, hamburger menu, go to Help, and go to About Firefox to update. No security updates in here at all, just really one bug fix, and it's the YouTube video freeze. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.